So we do have the ability to extract or export data from a PDF to Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, and I think even, let's see, export PowerPoint too. So what I'm going to show you real quick here is pretty neat here. I'm going to try to, I want to export just this table here to Excel, and I can do that. So I'm going to go to File, Export, and if I wanted to do the whole page, the whole document, I can just do Word. But I'm going to do Excel, and I'm going to do Page Region. Then I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm just going to try to get just outside the extent of this table here. I'm going to select this table. I'm going to say Save the disk, save it somewhere locally. And then I'm going to go in and open that up where I saved it. And voila, here we go. So that's pretty good. That's pretty darn good, conversion there, in terms of even the font and the grid, right, that they put in here, the outlines or whatever. I mean, that's a darn good conversion there, especially from going from PDF to Excel. So that's pretty handy. If you want to grab a table from PDF and throw it into Excel, that export option is a good option for you.